Well, hello, this is the final boss, and this is Cook Serve. Um, the developers are
Ladies
very
and
kind and sent this
gentlemen,
over, and here we go.
live from Helianthus, please
Helianthus,
put your hands together for your culinary queen,
the final
Chef
boss.
Rhubarb.
Rhubarb. Not even that good of a.
Hello, Helianthus. What a delight for you to be here this evening.
It's great. So again, that's using dialogue to express
Tonight,
character.
I
Delight
will
for
be
you to be
making
here.
ovo al potufo, a delectable egg yolk ravioli with buttercream and truffles.
Whoa.
And as always, in this recipe
Recipes,
and in life, be no less than the
the
best.
best. Anyone can cook is the pronoun I prefer. Well, it's like
How's my birthday girl? Mom, you're home. I've got a surprise for you.
Chef
Remember
Rhubarb.
how I said we couldn't do normal presents this year?
We're doing
Yeah, why?
Omega
I
presents.
was thinking that
It's kind of sad.
instead we could have your favorite for dinner. Your ribolita? Yes, except this time it's going to be your ribolita. Happy birthday.
What is it?
Nothing yet, but this will be your very own
My recipe book?
I'm going to teach you how to cook, and we're going to start with your favorite. Come on.
All right, I'm in. I hope I actually learned some recipes out of this. I feel like, as someone who likes to cook IRL,
Your very first ribolita. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with the easy stuff.
Ribolita, mom's recipe. Oh man, I have to plug in a controller. Ugh. That I don't love, but I respect it. It's fine. Thought I could mouse and keyboard my way through it. Why though? Why? Oh, A. What? What? Press the button shown one time. Press both buttons at the same time. Press any ingredient button one time. Press the previous button one time. What? This is weird. What's the prev button? I don't have a prev button on here. Previous? Okay, back. I'm just gonna do keyboard, I guess. Any. Any. What's any? Oh, I have to do that many times. Okay, so it's interesting. Okay, so down. Oh, I have to hold it now. So this is kind of like a timing game, I see. Tomatoes. Well, I'm glad I don't have to do the, I'm glad I don't have to use the controller. This is way better than the controller. I hate using controllers. I mean, it's a computer game. Not. Oh, not. Ah.
Yes!
It's crazy. Some ingredients can be tougher than others, especially when using higher quality. I'm sorry, not. Oh my gosh, not, not, not. The knots are a little annoying. Soup any. What? Not previous? Oh. Previous is in the last one. Oh, whoa. Did it just crash? No, there it goes. Alright, I think I can do this one now. Annie. I see what it means by previous. Last might be a little bit clearer. Okay, how to make ribolita. Fry the veggies in a
Your
pan.
first
Okay.
recipe.
Wow.
Onion.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
I'm gonna be a star chef. I mean, you can definitely see a lot of care and love went into this game. Yeah. Whenever you have the crayon art, you know somebody really was passionate about this. All right, we got it. Yeah, skip cutscene. Okay. I like the kind of the Gucci style background. Welcome to more rain. There's still fun to be had in cooking. Select Marines, look out and head to the markets and begin the first shift of the day. All right.
I was wondering when I'd see you today.
I wish I could advance by pressing X or something.
Slow as usual. You?
Yeah, same.
It'll pick up again for you someday.
Yeah, I wish I could at least like advance the dialogue. We'll be making pick 6. We'll be making a hot dog. We'll be making a chicken sandwich. We're making poutine, yes sir. Any other fried stuff? Yeah, Korean corn dog. Grilled cheese. One remaining. Oh. That's just like pick everything. Portobello burger, sure.
Just these. Gracias, Romero.
Sure thing. Have a good day.
All right.
All
I'm
right,
cooking
Warren.
time.
I hope you're hungry.
Order up. Combo. You'll be serving orders from your food cart to hungry customers and delivery robots. Keep an eye on the order timer. All right. I think I get that. So it's sort of like a rhythm-esque game. Perks. Customize your day with perks before each shift. We're challenging the perk, more XP tokens you get. Okay. It feels like Friday. Chat relax, no changes this shift. Upgrade random ingredient to max.
Boom! Right in the kisser.
Oh, so these are my orders? Alright, alright. I'm cooking. Uh-oh. Don't hate me. Oh, I see, I get. It's a lot like, I wish there was something with the music, like that changed, like, or there was like a scroll of the things coming in. Why are they getting mad at me? Shift complete. Who's that random purple person? I just noticed there's some like weird person with pom-poms. Are more random. Select perk. Feels like Friday. Let's go the confusing instructions. I wish it had a little bit of a buffer because I feel like I'm trying to do like the next one immediately, but it will like throw in a Y. Oh. Happy customers. I guess those are my customers. Got it. Oh,
Good job, Nori. Yay!
good job, Nori. I did it. Did I complete the shift? Okay, backseat cooking. The not tag appears more often. Ooh. Let's go, max XP. Oh, darn, it got me. Oh, it got me, the knots. Ah, the knots.
How you like them apples?
The knots. Oh, man. That's fun. You really gotta go fast, or else it does punish you a little bit. I mean, it's fun. I feel like this would be a great mobile game. Whether I see this as like a full PC game. Oh, come on. All right. Raw chicken. It's getting mad already? Yeah, the hold thing is a little annoying. All right. They failed! No! I got fired. Interesting. Oh, so do I have to do it again? I hope not. Oh, I have to do it again. Oh,
Norikaga!
oh
I was
no.
wondering when I'd see you.
All right. So what are my thoughts? I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick review on this so far. I think the story is really charming. I think the art's really charming. The mechanics I think are where I have some issue. If it's just visual and reflex and speed, it feels like it's a little bit too lean to really sink my teeth into. I wish there was some sort of other cue. I don't know what it would be, right? Because like I mean, it's not a rhythm game, so you can't have things coming to the beat. It feels like the timing stuff is really sensitive and finicky, like long press versus quick press. Those seem to kind of punish me f- just for good times. I do love the characters. I love the charm. The one thing I will say about the narrative, though, is I don't see a clear external goal that's clear, right? Like, I know this character wants to be a famous star chef, like Chef Radishes or whatever her name is. That's something with an R. But essentially, I don't see much beyond that. So the question I have is, what does that dream look like to this character? Is it owning her own store? Is it, working for, making her food truck the fanciest food truck in the world? Oh, Chef Rhubarb. There it is. I see the poster in the picture. But yeah, overall, I think this is a beautiful, charming game. I think story-wise, while it has a few things I think it can work on, I think it definitely kicks above its, uh, you know, hits above its weight class or whatever. Like, it's doing better than average in terms of the story and the narrative. Like, I saw some showing in dialogue where, Rhubarb was like, "Oh, you're so lucky to be here." Like, that shows me that she's like a big shot. And the fact that the crowd responds positively to that shows that, she's right in kind of thinking she's hot stuff. Um, so I think that all makes sense. I do think the mechanics in terms of the button clicking and or like the arrow button pressing, I think it's fine. I generally really like those types of mechanics. Like I am obsessed with Guitar Hero, was like my college, my entire college. I don't think I got a degree in anything but Guitar Hero during college. Um, but it doesn't have that rhythm. It doesn't have that in the flow. So something about the thing I'm doing, which is making food and like the little sequences I'm typing in very quickly, it doesn't evoke an experience that is beyond the sum of its parts quite yet. And I know this is an early access, so I don't know what that's going to look like, but I don't have this feeling that I'm cooking something. Not really able to learn much from the recipes. I mean, I think I saw a few recipes, but yeah, I would really encourage like how to punch that mechanic up so it feels great to hit a combo. I mean, there are some positive sounds like the ding ding when you get the chicken, but like really punch up the audio, really punch up the screen reactions, and make punishment a little less severe, I think is a good starting point. The punishment's kind of annoying. I want to feel like I got away with like being a boss, or like if I improvise, or if I go quick change, you know, like maybe instead of immediate punishment, it like starts getting red if you've pressed the wrong thing, and then if you change it quick, you can recover. Like give me some of those win moments. I think is really critical. But I do think that the challenge I'm seeing here is in the core mechanic and how it just feels to engage with. But overall, I think a lot of the art is absolutely stunning. The style and the music is really engaging. So yeah, I think that and yeah, while there are some things to I think improve on in the story, I think it's also really strong. So overall, great job on the game. I'm excited to see what y'all come up with next. And if you want me to take another look as you make betas and thetas and alphas and omegas, feel free to send it over. I'll be here. Have a great one. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.